Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you the transparent mouse by Arctic Fox. So let's unbox this and check it out. So this is the box, guys. You can check out. This is a dual Bluetooth and wireless rechargeable mouse. That means you don't have to use cell in this. You can charge it and use. So it can connect with Bluetooth, and there is also 2.4 gigahertz receiver. Silent, it has very silent clicks, and it supports up to 2400 dpi, and it has a 400 mAh battery. So the price on this is given as 1999, but I got this for 600 something. So let's check it out, guys. Let's connect and see. So inside the box there is the mouse, there is a scroll wheel, and it has some shortcut here, and this is the button for DPI, and this is the socket where you can charge the mouse. They have given the charging cable, and this is a type C charging cable. There is also receiver inside it through which you can use, or else you can use it Bluetooth. So let's open it and check it out. It's easy to open the mouse. So this is the receiver, and this is magnetic, guys, so it is very easy to open and close. So let's connect this to laptop and check it out. So guys, I have connected the mouse with the 2.4 gigahertz receiver. So let's switch on the button. So let's switch on the button. The button is here, you can see, and this is the button for connecting the devices. You can connect up to 3 devices with the Bluetooth. So let's switch it on. As soon as you switch on, you see a green light, and also you can see the blue light here. That blue light indicates how much battery you have left, and there's also light here that is so beautiful, and it displays the Arctic Fox logo, and this is RGB light. And I've connected the mouse with the 2.4 gigahertz, so you can see, and also you can you have a shortcut button here for quickly minimizing all the windows, and once you click it again, the window opens. And also there is the DPI button that will help you to change the DPI of the mouse. DPI means how much the speed of the mouse on the screen. Okay guys, that's it. uh, Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. So this is the mouse I wanted to show you all. Thank you.